Hey everyone, today back in another video, part 2. This is part 2. In the last video that I did yesterday was a video of the same thing that we're doing today, and we were doing running over Thomas down, and let's get started in the video. And we have our C6 2014. Everyone down in the comments down below said next time, he said in my school today, he said next time use a real train. So today we are going to try this. But this is the only one I have. You can't run it over with a real train, because that would be a bad idea. I can't really do it with real wooden trains, so let's get right into this video. So, let's get right into it. So, okay, on the count of 3, everybody, on the count of 3, everybody count down with me. 3, 2, 1. CSX overboard and go. Wait. CSX overboard and go. Oh, that was a fail. Okay, let's try again. Guys. In 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that was a not fail, but look at the damage. It actually hit the crossing gate. Okay, now let's get Thomas straight here. And let's start smashing them. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Bam! Slam! Gadget! 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 Bam! Slam! Bam! 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 Oh, jeez. Bam! Slam! Bam! All around. Alright. As the end of today's video, look at all the destruction we had making in this video. Jeez. Okay. Here's the end. Wait. That's just part of the destruction. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this Bam Slam Gadget video and this C6 Thomas video, I'm going to do the link in the description. Look at the description right now after the video ends, and then look at the description, and then I'll give you a link to something that we all know about. Okay, look at the description and you'll find out. I'll see you guys. Come on. If you want a face reveal, here you go. Do another one. If you forgot. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give it a huge giant like. Let's go for 25 likes. If I get 25 likes, guys, I'll show you my Tesla and do another video of a video where another train movie off this track right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video today or tomorrow. Bye.